put that in her bag? Ready? Put that in her bag.
Trick or treat.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Want to give that to the other girl?
Trick or treat. Thank you. Trick or treat.
Put it in his bag. Or give it to him. Here you go. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Here, can you put that in her bag?
Okay.
Hello. Put it in her bag. So there you go. Happy Halloween. You say bye-bye?
Bye.
No, come on. You get to keep it. Oh, Lucy, can you give that to her? Can you give her the bag? Have fun.
Thank you.
Can you put that in her bag? Put it in her bag. Put that in the other bag. Okay, okay. That's cute. Lucy, don't put it there. Say bye-bye.
Thank you.
No problem.
Come on, Charlie. You have here.
Get up there. You have to get up there too, or
Where?
say trick or treat. Put it in his bag. Put it in his bag. She can't quite.
Charlie,
You
you have
just
to-
take it from her.
Here, Charlie. You have to come over here.
There you go. Say bye.
Thank you.
Good. In their bag.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween. Say bye-bye. There's going to be a whole bunch of kids, huh? There's one. You ready? It's okay. Here, you going to put it in his bag? Here. Say hi. It's a treat. You're going to put it in. Happy Halloween. It's okay. Okay, you gotta wait for the kids. Yay, are we waiting? Okay. I'll check the run. Hold on. Hi, you ready? Yeah? You have, out of your mouth. See. Oh. Well, you put it in your mouth, we gotta wait and get a new one for all the kids. Thank you.
She's gonna put it in for you.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Good girl. Give me 5. Good girl. Okay, you gotta wait. There you go. You gonna put that in his back bucket? There you go. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Say bye-bye. Happy Halloween.
Thank
you. Bye. Well, let's see. Wait till more kids come. Hi. Wait, you see more? We gotta wait. I don't see any yet. put that in the bucket? You put that in the bucket? And there you go. Say bye-bye. Thank you. You can put that in the bucket. Say bye-bye. Put it in her bucket. Put it in her bucket. There you go. Put it in. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Thank you. There you go. Can you give him one? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There you go. How's it going? Can you give her some candy?
Thank you.
Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Good girl.
Look at that, Jimmy.
Thank you. Keep in the bed. Say bye-bye.
Bye. What do you think of that?
Pumpkin. See you later. Is that funny? What do you see? I do see a puppy. I see two puppies. Where'd they go? They'll be back. They'll be back. Yep, we gotta wait. Gotta wait for the rest of the kids. Woo! I don't think they can hear you. Whoop. Lily. Hold on. Hold on. You're so silly. Here's some more. There you go. Here you oh wait, yeah, here you wanna give that one? Give that one. Put it in the bag. There you go. There you go. Okay, everybody. There you go. There you go. Say bye-bye. Cowboy. There you go. You wanna give that to the cowboy? There you go. Hand it to him. Good girl. Oh, put it in. Say bye-bye. See you later. Look, here's some kids. Look, there's Alex and Allie. Look, who's here? Your friend. Say hi, Alex. Say hi. Hi. You put it in their bag? Put it in. Put it in. Hold out your bucket. Hold out your bucket. Here, put it right there, Lulu. Put it right there.
This is
Almost reached. Almost reached. Put it in.
I made these extra for a couple of the kids.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah,
Thank you.
A lot of it will be for you guys, but
Is that like collection?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Say bye-bye. See you guys later. You look great. Bye. Say bye-bye. See you later. You want to go give this one to Daddy? Here, go give that to Daddy. That's his favorite. She is loving it. She's like all mad that I can't. Hold on, you gotta put it in the bucket.
Thank you.
She was out of her room and there's a red hair bow on the stair rail up there.